Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 211 for Monday, 19th of January, 2026. I hope you're all well. I hope you have enjoyed a good start to the year and this rather eventful start to 2026. It's been quite some kickoff already, hasn't it? For those of you joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you in the next 25, 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within the FX indices and commodities markets, followed by a look at the charts of interest, and then a look at the live market. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing with you what might be of relevance or use to yourself in your own endeavors. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading and investment decisions. And for those of you who perhaps want a little bit more help or a little bit more insight and mentorship, there'll be a small group mentorship running starting next week, basically focused on trading FX and the swing positions. That'll be called the Dollar Edge, all right, which is probably quite apt based upon how the world is going at this particular moment. But it will basically run for Q1 of 2026, so it's going to be kind of 8 to 10 weeks, just basically looking at trading fewer higher quality setups from the 4 hour charts, focusing on the dollar, sterling, and euro markets. If you've got a question, just ping me a question. You can email me there, or there's a bit code, or that QR code will take you there. Okay, another one who's been doing well and who has got earnings this week. Okay, we're into earnings season. GE Aerospace there on Thursday before the open. We just looked at quite a scruffy chart in terms of Dassault. I think it's probably harder to say that about GE Aerospace. That has been pretty much a great run there, hasn't it? It's a pure play, aerospace focus, all right, and also it's under sort of commercial aviation is pretty much where it is. So as commercial aviation has done well, that has basically underpinned their move there. Okay, so. As you can see, that continues to be in a nice trend. I think we might have looked at it a few months ago when it was pivoting around $300 there. You can see there, and you were wondering, was it topping out? But once again, 20-period moving average price came into it, putting in this big bullish engulfing candle there, okay, in December, and it has continued there, and that just remains strong, okay, that remains strong there. So, yeah, we could see if geopolitical events have an impact, but really that has continued to be a great trend, okay, and a great over the last few years playing the kind of aerospace and defense sector as it has done well for us.